Welcome back, children, to your GK class. Today we are going to discuss page number 57 of your GK book, and the chapter name is Business Basics. Basically, there are 8 questions in your GK book of this lesson, and we are going to discuss these questions. These questions are based on the business basics. So let's try to find out how much do we know about the business strategies or business knowledge which is there in our country. The very first question is, if New York has Wall Street, what does Mumbai have? In the same way that the Wall Street is there in New York, what is there in Mumbai? It is Dalal Street. Dalal Street is in Mumbai. Now what is it? It is basically the stock exchange market, right? All the financial firms and institutions are here. Now the second question, Verghese Kurian set up a dairy cooperative in Gujarat, India. Is jointly owned by about 2.6 million milk producers. What is the name of their leading brand? Here, Verghese Kurian has set up a dairy cooperative, and here he is the owner, but it is in the partnership of 2.6 million milk producers, and the name of this brand is Amul. We all love Amul butter, Amul cheese, right? We all consume the products which are available by Amul. We often see the advertisements also on the television. The third question is, this business related social networking website for professionals was founded in 2002 and has more than 100 million members. Now this is a networking site. It is basically a site like Facebook, WhatsApp. It is also a site. But here what happens that the professional means जो किसी profession से जुड़े हुए हैं, ठीक है? And it was founded in 2002 and now more than 100 million members are there. Here you can promote your business. Here you can hire the employees also for your business. So this is a very helpful social networking site. And the answer is LinkedIn. The answer is LinkedIn. Now moving on to the next question. This American Indian business professional became CEO of Google Inc. in 2015. He spent his childhood in Chennai and is an alumnus of IIT Kharagpur. Now he is the student of, the person about whom we are talking is the student of IIT Kharagpur, and he became the CEO of Google Incorporation in 2015. He is Sundar Pichai. Children, I am again and again showing you this picture so that you can get the correct spelling of the answers. Sundar Pichai is the CEO of Google, and he was also the student of IIT Kharagpur. Now the fifth question is, this Indian born American business professional became CEO of Microsoft in 2014. Now this is the person about whom we are talking is born in India, but he is an American businessman and he is the CEO of Microsoft. Now if we are talking about Microsoft, I would just like to mention one question. Who is the owner of Microsoft? Right now CEO of Microsoft is Satya Nadella. But I asked you the question that who is the founder of this Microsoft, or the owner, right? The very first owner, the founder of Microsoft. The founder of Microsoft was Bill Gates. The founder of Microsoft is Bill Gates, and the CEO of Microsoft, who was appointed as CEO in 2015, is Satya Nadella. The spelling is Satya Nadella. Here I have also written so that you can clearly note down the spellings in your book. The next question is, which company headed by Larry Page and Sergey Brin is the parent company of Google and several other companies previously owned by Google? So here this company was the parent company, means इसी company के बाद ये Google and other companies जो हैं वो बाहर आई हैं, and this company was headed by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, and the name of this company is Alphabet Inc. The name of that company was Alphabet Inc. The next question, the seventh question is, which bank serves as the Central Bank of India? India में जो main head of the banks, ठीक है, सारे banks का जो head है, that is Reserve Bank of India, RBI, right? Reserve Bank of India. This is the only bank which has the authority to even print the notes, right? So this is the head, means you can say in a common language कि सारे बैंकों का head जो है वो यही है. Now the next question and the last one is, who became the youngest and first woman CEO of ICICI Bank Limited in 2009? So here the CEO who was appointed in year 2009 was a woman, and she was the youngest and the first woman CEO of ICICI Bank, and the name of this woman was Chanda Kochhar. The name of this woman was, that means is Chanda Kochhar. Now we will be discussing about the tidbits. 11-year-old Michaela Ulmer is a successful schoolpreneur or high school going entrepreneur. See, entrepreneur means a type of businessman, right? Now this boy is a very small kid, right? If just 11 years old, so that is why he is also known as successful schoolpreneur or high school going entrepreneur. Michaela signed a multi-million-dollar deal with an American supermarket chain, Whole Foods, to sell Bee Sweet lemonade. ठीक है, Bee Sweet lemonade वो बेचने के लिए उसने multi-million-dollar deal sign की है with the Americans. Later renamed Me and the Bees Lemonade, उसका बाद में उसने change कर दिया नाम, and the name became Me and the Bees Lemonade. Michaela donates a part of her profit to those organizations that work towards rescuing honeybees. Michaela is a girl and she donates her profit to the organization जो कि honeybees को protect करते हैं या rescue करते हैं, छुड़वाते हैं, ठीक है. So Michaela Ulmer is a 11-year-old girl and is also known as the successful schoolpreneur, because most probably 11 year के age में लोग school में ही होते हैं, right? So that is why she is also known as schoolpreneur or high school going entrepreneur. So this was all about this business basics from your book. For more queries, you can please ask me. You're free to ask me. I hope this much was very much clear. You all can write down the answers as it is clearly visible on the screen. Thank you children and have a good day.